Now on the MG Hector, you had a lovely user interface and a touchscreen infotainment system that we have all been a fan of. In the ZS EV, it is slightly better. It's called the iSmart 2.0, lot more functionality. Now by default on the screen, these are the various parameters you see, the weather app, the navigation, music, and so on. The most important right now, because we're in an EV car, is the EV battery setup over here. Our car currently has 54% of charge, which can give it a range of 138. The range varies depending upon your driving pattern. If I was driving slightly better in an economical way, the range would have been slightly more for the same charge on the battery. If I click on this, you have two different options over here. This is the CO2 saved, again to make you feel proud as a MG ZS EV owner. Today, for example, I saved approximately 18 kgs of CO2. This will get added up to the month savings by the end of today after 12 midnight. Again, this will be added after each month to the kgs saved in the whole year. On the left side are the charging details. 54% charge is there. If the car was charging right now, you could have seen the time remaining and so on. With 54% of charge, I have approximately 138 kilometers of range left. I go back to the home screen via this button, and then I can probably click at navigation now. MG works with a lot of different companies for the iSmart 2.0. One of them is TomTom, so navigation is via TomTom. To go back to the home screen, you need to press the round button over here. Post navigation, we can go into weather. Again, this is real time. There is an eSIM in the car, so this is properly via Wi-Fi, via the updates. Depending on the location you are in, we are in Greater Noida. It's showing Kachurut, which could be a local name. It's 18.3 right now today outside, 21st of December. On the home screen on the right side, you have slightly more functionality. This is obviously to talk to the car.
Hi, how can I help?
Exit. The same functions as you've seen on the Hector also work on this. You can open the sunroof, change the temperature of the aircon, open the right side window, and so on. Below this thing is, of course, the navigation which I showed you right now. I'll go back then into your audio settings. If you have a USB or you're playing through FM and so on, you can select over here from the Ghana app or the local music or the BT music. Below that is the car setting. Again, very helpful. You can control the lock, auto lock functionality. You can go into lamp settings, and for example, for finding my car, you want the car to only light up or honk as well. You can select that. Follow me home, you can select it for as many seconds as you want. It is for 30 seconds right now. You can go to 60 seconds or you can go to 90 seconds. I'll go back to 30 seconds as the default. Tiretronics, very cool. You can look at the PSI and the temperature levels as well. The air pressure can be seen in various units of PSI or kPa or bar. Again, something very cool. I haven't seen this functionality basically in any other car in India. Driving assistant, I can put on or off the pedestrian alert or the hill descent control. Let's switch this on for convenience to other drivers, and I go back to my home setting. If I press this, I can switch off the screen as well. Here you go. So this is the iSmart 2.0. You also can, you have shortcuts over here for BT phone or for the Ghana app for settings. iCall, if I press iCall, it works as an automated call request to the call center. They will call you back within seconds. So let's not press this right now. You have the vehicle settings, the folder, the inbox if any messages have come to the car, which are not here. It's a brand new car as of now. So guys, this is all about the iSmart 2.0. We'll now talk about the driver info display, which is right over here. Now this is the Speedo Console of the ZS EV. When you start the car, any warnings that need to be displayed are displayed. For example, right now, two doors are open. I will just press OK from the steering wheel. The charger is connected because we're trying to revert charging the car, so that will also throw up as a warning to the driver. Very good. HP battery shut off is there because I don't want to start the car right now. Again, okay. And the mode we are in right now is the normal active mode, which can be changed from the central console. Here I go. Sorry, this is the sport active mode. This is the normal, and this is the eco mode. I can also change the level of curse. We are in 3 right now, which you can see right over here. Parking mode, curse is 3, and we are in eco mode. Curse can come down to 2 or to 1. Next is, if you want to see the range at any point of time, just press this and you will see the range coming in. Current speed is 0, range to empty is 145. Current journey figures are not there. We haven't started the journey. We've done 126 kilometers since morning in 3 hours 30 minutes at an average speed of 36, and an average fuel economy, average economy is 5.1 kilometers per kilowatt hour. Do not judge us because we were having fun with the car. This is the electrical information, the voltage, the motor speed. This is the electrical information, the voltage, the motor speed, and the current. It keeps on changing when you're driving the car. Tire pressure only in the PSI, not with the temperature, and the energy flow very cool when you're driving the car. You can see what is happening. Back to the current. I can then toggle between other things. This, for example, is the menu for speed warning, for ESC, for next service. Next service in this case is 8,300 kilometers because this has a long service interval. So guys, this is all about, of course you can see some warnings because our doors are open, so even they can be seen. And I go back to the main car settings and the speed is 0. Thank you for watching, guys.